I just want to say a little something to all immigration officials. Anybody that takes part in separating people from their environment and family and puts them in a place where they have absolutely nothing will burn in the fire that we as the people will ignite. Bitches. Yeah, I bust a few gags, sold a little crack, heard a few tracks while cruising in the lag. It's puff, puff, pass if you smoking on my grass. Oh, what's that? Police on my ass, but it's worse than that. Immigration moves fast. Take a second now and let me think about it. Raised in your country, why you think I'm rowdy? This is why I learned all my things. Ran with the gangs while I learned how to bang. Learn how to read and I learned how to write. Hate your enemies while I learn how to fight. Learn how to spit so I burn up the mic. Learn how to rob and I learned how to steal. Had no job, now I already spend a meal. Thanks for the things that I learned in this life. Now learn how to run from the fire I ignite. Now learn how to run from the fire I ignite. Gotta run from the law cause a nigga tryna ball. Got my hands on my drawers and my pockets all swole. But they wanna see me fall cause they don't like me at all. Cause my skin is black and the way that I act. How I lean in the lap, smoking green by the sack. Triple beam for the crack, all the fiends get a pack. And this is what I say, you made me this way. Bloods and Crips every day. Guns at the park where the kids gotta play. What the fuck I'ma do when I can't get a job? I'ma grab my tool and I'm fucking gon' ride. This the situation, held by immigration. Deportation's what I'm facing. I'm already here, and I really don't care. Keep it gangsta everywhere, and this my year.
Sem visto boca pode fazer nada. Sete embaixada que te liga para bu legalização. Esta caga na boa situação. Por isso eu imigrante explorado. Mão de obra barato ou ser escravizado. Te defende mesmo patrão que tá pagado. Flamone que buta desgaja. O conta para bu paga. Sem combo na bolso. Por isso eu torno criminoso. Vida de imigrante é penoso. Abre pro ódio. Foca imigração. Abre pro ódio. Foca serviços estrangeiros e fronteiras. Código de expulsão. Fuck embaixador, fuck embaixador, fuck embaixador, yo.
I represent killer mans, dealer mans, convicts, innocents, locked up immigrants. I represent killer mans, dealer mans, convicts, innocents, locked up immigrants. I represent bitches. Matter of fact, David Fife, you pussy ass nigga motherfucker that bought my plane ticket. Thought I forgot about your coward ass. Fuck immigration, all you motherfuckers, man. Y'all gon' burn in hell, man. Burn the motherfucking fight. Yeah.
LEA motherfucker. Fuck embaixador, boy.
Fuck y'all gangsta shit.
Fuck serviços estrangeiros e fronteiras. Como pode ser um ser humano ser ilegal? Não dão documentos. Sendo assim um gajo não pode trabalhar, boy. A vida aqui é dura, yo. Fuck Seth.